Hello, my name is Benito Anaya Jr. and this is my Unit 6 discussion. Today I'm going to be talking about 5 words and typefaces that describe me. The first one is calm. I'm a calm person if you know me, and that's why I chose the Apple Chancery typeface because it has a calm feeling when you look at it. And as you can see, this is the typeface. The L and the M makes it seem like there's no rush. It just calm feeling to it, so that's why I chose it. The next one is friendly. I'm a friendly person when I meet people, and I picked the Bradley hand typeface because it has a friendly feeling when you see it. And this is a typeface font, and all of it's very smoothing and relaxed. So and when I meet people, I try to be as relaxed and be as much friendly as I can. Energetic. Most of the time, I'm a very energetic person, if you know me, so that's why I chose the impact typeface, because if you visualize it, it looks like the words are hyper. As you could see here, this is the typeface, and it looks like the words want to go out and expand. That's why I say it's hyper. And childish. I'm sometimes a child person when I'm around my friends, and that's why I chose the serif hand typeface, because if you visualize it, it looks like a child wrote it, and this is the typeface. And comforting. I'm a comforting person when I talk to others. For example, when I'm talking to my friends, I make sure they have my attention and try to understand them. So that's why I chose the brush script MT typeface, because it gives a comforting feeling. And as you can see, it has a very comforting look. So that's why I chose it. Thank you, and thank you for listening. And this was my presentation.